Starting around the 3rd of June 2023, Nexo generally is exchanging at 66 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.05% in every way that really matters. Most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is genuinely critical. Nexo for the most part has a very all-out market cap of $370,089,088 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,013,968 in large enormous manner. This generally makes Nexo really positioning at 95 in the cryptographic money market, which is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo most certainly be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in a significant way? Is Nexo a genuinely wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 in a by and large enormous manner? Will Nexo cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high in a by and large huge manner? These by and large are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, showing how essentially is Nexo a kind of wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023. Nexo value expectation 2023 as per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Nexo cost basically is supposed to cross a fundamentally normal value level of 86 cents. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be 82 cents. So will Nexo cost truly outperform its unequaled high, which especially is very critical. Besides, Nexo can basically arrive at a very most extreme value level of 95 cents. Nexo value estimate June 2023. In June 2023, the by and large greatest cost for Nexo could truly stretch around 73 cents. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in June 2023 sort of is 64 cents with a really normal cost of 71 cents. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo value gauge July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Nexo in every practical sense is supposed to especially arrive at an extremely least value worth of 71 cents. So all things considered, is Nexo a by and large wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking? The Nexo cost could in every practical sense arrive at an exceptionally most extreme cost of 77 cents with the by and large normal cost around 73 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Nexo value estimate August 2023. The Nexo cost for August 2023 may arrive at an especially least worth of 73 cents while the kind of greatest determined cost generally is around 80 cents, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. The truly normal cost for Nexo sort of is for the most part anticipated to especially reach 76 cents in August 2023, exhibiting that starting around the 3rd of June 2023 Nexo basically is exchanging at 66 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.05% in truly most recent 60 minutes. By and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo value conjecture September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Nexo really is in every practical sense anticipated to arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of 79 cents while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of 84 cents and a very least of 77 cents in a quite huge manner. Nexo value estimate October 2023. The Nexo gauge for October 2023 expects that the Nexo might arrive at a truly greatest worth of 87 cents with an essentially least cost of around 78 cents. Genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the typical value Nexo can in a real sense stretch around 81 cents for October. So besides Nexo can in a real sense arrive at a kind of greatest value level of 95 cents. Genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo value gauge November 2023. The Nexo figure for November 2023 expects that the Nexo may sort of arrive at a truly greatest worth of 91 cents with a fundamentally least cost of around 81 cents, which basically shows that truly is Nexo a by and large wise speculation or in every practical sense worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is genuinely huge. Discussing the exceptionally normal value Nexo can truly stretch around 83 cents for November. Nexo value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo truly is gauged to especially be at around a very least worth of 82 cents, showing how in addition Nexo can truly arrive at a really greatest value level of 95 cents, which generally is genuinely huge. The Nexo value worth can explicitly arrive at an especially limit of 95 cents with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of 86 cents in USD, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Nexo genuinely passed value examination in every practical sense. Recent hours, the crypto by and large has been truly diminished by 1.25% in its truly current worth, showing how in every practical sense is Nexo a for the most part wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023. Assuming we really analyze the sort of current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap by and large is additionally down, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Nexo for the most part is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, showing how Nexo value figure October 2023. The Nexo conjecture for October 2023 expects that the Nexo may really arrive at a greatest worth of 87 cents with a very least cost of around 78 cents incredibly. The Nexo generally is down to nearly 0.97% in the very most recent 7 days, which especially is genuinely huge. The coin essentially is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for extremely past kind of couple of days. The coin could sort of have areas of strength for pretty, however. We don't for the most part feel that it would a beneficial resource in genuinely present moment, which in every practical sense is very huge. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo fundamentally diminished by 8.135%, disposing of an incredible really normal amount of 5 cents from its ongoing worth, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be in every practical sense great truly purchase and open door for all things considered. Fast venture. So additionally, Nexo can truly arrive at a by and large greatest value level of 95 cents in a kind of huge manner. The 90 days cost change in every way that really matters is near 21.50%, and the cost fundamentally flowed from a for the most part least truly normal cost of 79 cents to kind of greatest kind of normal cost of 86 cents in the essentially beyond 90 days, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nexo is somewhere near 10.69% with the essentially most extreme exceptionally normal cost of the coin explicitly was around 67 cents and the exceptionally least kind of typical cost of sort of was around 65 cents in beyond 4 months in a significant way. Nexo value figure 2023 FAQs what will explicitly be Nexo truly worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. The Nexo cost generally is determined to sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 95 cents with kind of least cost of 82 cents toward the finish of 2023, exhibiting how Nexo value estimate July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Nexo generally is supposed to arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of 71 cents. So really is Nexo a genuinely wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023 in a very large manner? Does Nexo for the most part have a future, or so they thought? As far as value, Nexo most certainly has an extraordinary in every practical sense potential to sort of arrive at new levels, exhibiting that besides Nexo can arrive at a by and large greatest value level of 95 cents. All things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking, it in a real sense is figure that Nexo will increment in esteem in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking, as per kind of unambiguous specialists and business experts. Nexo can especially stir things up around town cost of $30.60 till 2030. Truly further appearance how Nexo value figure November 2023. The Nexo conjecture for November 2023 expects that the Nexo may fundamentally arrive at an essentially greatest worth of